How's it going, everyone? Hope you all having a great day. In this video, we are going to be doing a little bit of maintenance on the WRX right here. And yeah, we're just going to be doing an oil change. It's going to be simple and straightforward. For those of you that have never done an oil change on a WRX before, Subaru makes it easy for you. So that's what we're going to just go around today doing, and then do some other miscellaneous things in this vlog as well. So stick around for the end of the video, and yeah, let's make it a good one. Alright, so a little bit of a parts breakdown here. We're just using Valvoline 5-liter 30 full synthetic oil for this oil change, and the engine, I believe, I had to Google it this morning, but it is 5.4 quarts of oil. So you have a big jug right here and then an extra quart, so you can just kind of watch it as you fill it. So I have Valvoline. A lot of people that I know use Valvoline, and they say it's awesome. Of course, all the guys in the Facebook forums as well said Valvoline, so I went with Valvoline. First time really trying them out. American company, so that's awesome. American juice into my Japanese automobiles, so that's good. Yeah, Valvoline, using that stuff. And then I also have a OEM oil filter as well, plus the crush washer. Yeah, with the crush washer, and then yeah, I'm just stoked. You know, I'm so excited to do an oil change on my car. So notice that everything's on top, which is awesome. Oil filters right here. Blah 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 blah. So we're making them as on top of the car instead of below the car. So that's that should make our lives, you know, a little bit easier. Probably not, but yeah. We're just going to start by getting the car up in the air now, and get crack-a-lacking on this. Alright, going on phone cam, but we got the car up in the air like so. We only need to do this one corner because, as you can see, the oil thingy, oh, it's way back there. So there's the oil pan with the oil drain right there. And yeah, we're just gonna throw our bucket like right about here and drain oil from here. It's going to be fun. I can barely see it. This is gonna probably go sideways. Oh. Okay, it's broken. Dude, I'm actually kind of scared. Oh, all right. It's not bad. Oh, okay, good. So what I did was I just took my jack stand out and let the car back down on the ground, and let the rest of the oil come out, basically, because, you know, if the car is slanted to one side, then oil is going to be on one side of the oil pan. So you got to drop down all the way and the rest of the oil will come out. When draining oil, I like to take my cap off and raise my dipstick up a little bit, so that makes more of a flow. So while the car is kind of like in this state, this is where I change my oil filter, jack the car back up, and then throw that plug in with the fresh washer, and then throw it back down once again, and then we fill with oil. This is the part where these guys should be on hand tight. So we're gonna test that 3. I doubt that the dealership actually made it hand tight, but we're gonna find out. Oh, that's a lot, way more than hand tight. Oh, this isn't gonna fit. Oh, barely. You know, low key, I might use that tool just to barely snug it back on. But take this off. Beautiful. on this step, I like to take my new oil filter, grab some oil, man, lube that seal up so we can make a nice fresh new seal on there, dude. And then you can kind of clean this up a little bit. Grab a rag or something. I know, since most of you may not know, is a crush washer on here. Get it off. That guy, no good, no bueno. Then we take this guy. Boom. New crush washer. All right. Alrighty, it is finally that time of the video where we actually get to use our Valvoline for the first time. So, oh yeah, before you pour oil, and if you have a funnel, make sure it is nice and clean and dry, because that would be bad if you got a bunch of crap in there. So it's so new that you can't even really tell, but it's right in between those two dots right now. All right, so the motor is running really healthy here. Clutch fan going. That's good. That's good. That's good. Looks like the idle already dropped. That's good. No oil level light. Even better. Dry floor. Better warm up a little bit, cycle through everything, and then we should be good to check the oil level one last time. Oh, there you go. So now we're going to do something even more overdue than changing the oil. It's washing this car. Disgusting. So we're going to do that right now, and then I think that'll be it for today's video. So let's get washing.